Being loaded, racing just is started. We have Cape Blanca, break quick, let us start. Moving up down on the inside is Narita, landing in between horses. Comes Amazon's Kingdom, Tricky Trace comes next. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Aremo. Then next on line is Eugene's Wonder, then followed now by Captain of the Sea, while the Rector's Lead Gold is racing in less. Half-mile distance they traveled with Narita landing. Barreling any half and in second is Amazon's Kingdom. Moving up down on the inside is Tricky Trace. Then next on line is Cape Blanca. And on the outside comes Aremo. Then comes Eugene's Wonder. The Rector's Lead Gold second less, while Captain of the Sea now racing in last 400 meters of the race with Amazon's Kingdom by about 4 lengths. Tricky Trace now in second. Aremo now moving up on the outside. Cape Blanca as they swing for home with Amazon's Kingdom by about 3 lengths. And in second is Tricky Trace. Aremo is on the outside. Last 75 meters with Amazon's Kingdom followed by Aremo. And finally the program opener, Amazon's Kingdom, Aremo, then comes Tricky Trace, Cape Blanca, the Rector's Lead Gold.
Alright, number 5, Amazon's Kingdom crossing the wire first, ridden by Luis Silunar. Then masisilin mo nga yung number 8 na si Aremo, Uno, Tricky Trace, then Cape Blanca. Dito din tayo sa panlima. Panarin natin.